Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking Easy with Feezy. And today I'm going to show you how to make Kho Qua Xao Trung. Here I have some green onions, some clove of garlic, half a beer melon that's been hollowed out, and then I'm going to cut it in half and slice it on a bias, and 2 eggs. Okay, we got some garlic here. Gotta mince it. Mince it finely, guys. Give it a good rough chop there. Then we do the rock motion again. Here, remove this white part. Chop bitter melon, cut in half. Right, and cut on a bias. So chop like this. And cut thin slices. Thin slices. Thin slices. To bowl, I'm going to add 2 eggs. 2 eggs. Half a tablespoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. Sprinkle of salt. Just a little bit. And a little bit of black pepper. That's good. Heat it up. Okay guys, turn the heat up to high. Add a little bit of oil. Just a little bit more oil. There you go. Turn down to medium high. Okay, now add in your bitter melon. Saute it. Make sure your heat is on medium high. You don't want it to burn as well. You want it to have a nice even color before you add the eggs, okay? Now, let's season it. A teaspoon of sugar. Pinch of MSG. A little bit of salt. A little bit black pepper. There you go. Just a little bit. Fun fact, you know that bitter melon can be eaten raw if it's sliced nice and thinly and over a bed of shaved ice. You can eat it paired with dried pork floss. It's good. So you don't really gotta cook it much, guys. Just wanted to sweat it down, let the natural oils and stuff come out. Beaten egg. Just stir it around. The residual heat, finish cooking the egg. Add in your green onions. And you want the egg kind of runny, not too dry, okay? Just coat it like that. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Just like that, guys. The dish is done. Get the residual heat from the pan. Finish cooking the eggs. Sprinkle some more black pepper on top. And you're good to go. There you have it, guys. Bitter melon sauteed with eggs, and it's served with soy sauce and chili peppers. It's juicy.